Hi guys, how's it going? Today, I'm gonna be trying to whiten my teeth with this kit that I found on Amazon. And to be honest, I got this over a year ago. I did it the first time and it burned the shit out of my gums. So I wanna give it a second chance because my teeth these days aren't looking so hot. I made some crucial mistakes the first time. I also didn't realize that they have on their like little instruction card here, they have a YouTube video to show you exactly how it's done. I guess I didn't see that, or maybe I did and I just didn't care because I'm like, I can figure this out on my own. The instructions are pretty self-explanatory. I just went and found this video. I can obviously see where I made the mistakes. I'm just gonna play this video. I will show you where I made the mistakes as this video progresses.
Our kits come with thermoforming mouth trays. Here is how to use them. Insert the trays while holding the tab, one at a time, into water that has recently boiled.
Water that has recently been boiled. I remember vividly doing this. I was so scared that I was gonna burn myself because I had a pot of water rapidly boiling, like splashing up, and I was literally trying to hold these trays. They had little tabs on here so you could hold them. Like I would remember holding this and trying to get it in there without burning the shit out of my hands. And so this was not like fully submerged at all, either one of these. So mistake number one within 13 seconds of this instruction video.
Remove after 3 to 5 seconds. Be careful not to put the trays in the water for too long. Next, put the tray into your mouth. Don't worry, it will not burn.
I was scared to death of it burning my mouth. Absolutely. I was like being all hesitant to get it in there, and I think that it cooled down too fast, and that was also part of the problem, but
Suck the air inside your mouth so the soft rubber of the tray is forced closer to your teeth.
I did not do that. I literally was just sitting there just biting as hard as I could on this with my mouth open, and you can tell. Oh my gosh.
You may also use your hand to push gently on the tray while inside your mouth. Leave the tray inside your mouth for about 10 seconds. When you take it out, you will see an impression of your teeth structure in the front part of the rubber tray. Using small scissors, trim the trays around the gum line and cut off the tab.
My top tray, I did not realize that I was putting this in all wonky because they're soft when you put them in your mouth. So as they begin to cool, they harden back up. That's how this works. I put this in my mouth. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. I don't know if this is gonna focus. The corner of the mouth guard piece got stuck under my teeth and I didn't realize. So the entire side of this mouthpiece is complete, like, do you see this? It is completely off because I totally bit on this and I didn't even realize. Can't even like really whiten my teeth over here that well. And should I have tried to see if I could buy new trays? Probably. Did I? No, and that is most likely what has kept me from doing this for the last year and a half since I bought these. The bottom ones turned out pretty good, but like again, it didn't suction to my teeth because I didn't realize you're supposed to suck the air out of these so they could really form. They don't do anything for me at all. You're supposed to press it into your teeth so your teeth indentations are in there, but it doesn't do that. And my bottom teeth are crooked right here. I'm sure that it's not gonna work. Yeah. Okay. This makes me gag too. Another huge mistake that I made. I put so much of the whitening stuff on there. It was kind of bleeding out of the tray, which I didn't really think was a big deal until it started burning, but I kept trying to like keep it on there because I mean, it tells you it might burn, but just wipe it off. But like, I didn't realize it was bleaching my gums too. I don't know why I didn't realize that, but it did. Like I pulled it off and I thought that it was just like my gums being sensitive, but like they hurt so bad. They were raw and my gums were pure white from where the whitening solution was on. So do not do that. I'm gonna try this again. Yeah, these don't even go down on my teeth. Maybe I'll just do the top ones. Is that like weird? Okay, yeah, I didn't cut these down at all. Okay, I'm gonna cut these down. Let's see if that works. I don't know why this makes me want to gag. Like, I put it in my mouth and my gag reflex is immediately triggered. That's not good. That's not good. I'm just gonna do the top because this bottom one just does not fit my teeth at all. I mean, hopefully these are still good. I don't know if they expire. I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh, if there are any like dentists or dental hygienists or whoever whitens teeth out there, don't come at me, okay? I already know this is like not gonna work. I mean, I'm hoping it'll work. This looks really chunky. All right, here we go. Fuck. Okay, I need to. Okay, so that was really bad. That burned way more than I remember it burning. It got up behind my teeth and started burning my gums up behind there, like immediately. And it was almost kind of grainy, which I don't recall it being grainy before. I'm kind of thinking that this is expired. And I have all of these, like I have whole packs of these. I really wish I would have just bought a new tray. And yeah, I just drooled all over myself. Like immediately my mouth just went into defense mode and it started just pouring out. So either follow the instructions 100% or just don't do this at home. I'm throwing this in the trash. I regret doing that completely. So you probably learned absolutely nothing. It's still burning. All right, well, I was hoping this would be a lot more successful. So I guess that's it. Like and subscribe. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.